Hello and welcome to my channel. Yes, today I will be cooking one of my favorite dish, a snow crab boil. And before we get started, I have lined up all of my seasoning that I will be using in my snow crab boil. Okay, you guys, here are some of the seasoning I will be using in my seafood boil. Yes, Old Bay seasoning is one of my favorite seasonings for seafood. Yes, bay leaves are also one of my favorites. Yes, that cold pressed olive oil is definitely one of my favorites as well. In everything I cook, just about, I use olive oil. Okay, after you have gathered all your seasoning, let's get started. First, we will be seasoning our shrimp. Yes, I love that garlic and herb seasoning. Make sure you put plenty of seasoning in your shrimp. And now you are going to set that aside. Okay, you guys, I found some vegan black pepper. Now this is my first time using this vegan black pepper, but I do love it. And don't forget that garlic powder. Also fresh garlic as well. Okay guys, when it comes to that cayenne pepper, use a lot if you can stand a lot. Now if you can only stand a little, only use a little, but I love the heat. Now, after we have seasoned our shrimp, take your corn and your potatoes and whatever type of other meat you have. Some people like the beef sausage, some like the pork. And we are going to boil that until it is slightly tender. Also, don't forget to season your corn and your potatoes so it can have a good flavor. And yes, I buy the fresh corn when I am cooking my seafood boil. And now it is time for us to put all our ingredients into an oven bag. Now make sure you wash your crabs real good. Make sure you preheat your oven. Set the temperature at 350. Add your lemon and bay leaves. This will enhance the flavor. Now we're going to add more seasoning in our crab boil. Now add as much as you like. It's according to your taste buds. Add just a little of that seasoned water you boiled your corn in into your bag before putting it in the oven. We will be baking our crab boil for about 35 to 40 minutes. This all depends on how much ingredients you have in your oven bag. After baking your seafood ball, now you are ready to enjoy. Thank you again for viewing my channel. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you again. Have a wonderful and blessed day.